So the next proposal is proposal number two. So now here is also a very short proposal. It's not like some kind of rocket science. This is not rocket science. It's just another format in which now this is what I'm saying. You innovate, right? This is how you innovate in your proposal writing. You don't go there and start just writing anything that you feel like writing. Innovate in the way you write. Okay, so here is it. I'm excited. So you can start your letter by say things like hi there, or you can say hi Jesse. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your mission-driven work as a developer. All right. I am excited to contribute to your mission, to your goal, to your business goals. I am excited to contribute to the growth of your business. Do you see the way you lay out these words? To the growth of your business. And you can only write this sentence once you have read the adverts. You've understood the problem of the client. And that's where everything starts. Everything begins. Understanding the problem. What problem is the client trying to solve? And how can I help the client? That is the question that you have to ask yourself. Guys, people are spending money on you and they want you to help them solve problems. All right. So you have to understand. So this person begins with a mission driven statements. All right. I would say something like, your advert, it grabs my attention and it perfectly aligns with my experience. I am excited to contribute to the growth of your business. I bring 7 years of experience, of product management experience. Oh my God, I'm giving you leakage. I'm actually reading from my proposals that I normally write to people, to clients. Anyways, I'm basically giving you the from the script, from the original. All right. Anyways, the thing is, you can see some of these proposals. They already like I memorize them. I don't actually memorize them. I just understand them. I know how they are structured because I've spent hours, weeks writing these proposals, understanding them because I want to make sure I can actually speak to the pain points of the client. That's the point. Speaking to the pain points of the client. All right. So let's go. With a passion for creating web and mobile apps to facilitate online transaction, I believe my skills align perfectly with your requirements. Now, let me give you one secret. Most people don't know how to write proper proposal, and most people will not watch this video to the end. So if you are still watching, it means you are somebody who is really serious and you really want to crack this. Don't go and sit down. Go back and work on this. And if you work on it, I'll tell you, you start getting jobs. So all right. So keep going because I'll be showing you how to even go to an interview and crack that interview open. There is no one who can compete with you if you follow my method of interviews. All right, here is a snapshot of what I bring to the table. You see the way the person, here is a snapshot. This is quite different from what somebody wrote the previous proposal, right? Here is a snapshot of what I bring to the table. The first link to app, right? First of all, provide the link to the app, the name of the app. I'll add something here like the name. Provide the name of the app about what's this app about. This is a developer applying, right? So you can give the name of the app. What's the app about? If there is confidentiality issues, you don't need to mention the app. If the app is available online, just give that link there. All right. And then you can say XX is an e-commerce website where users buy blah blah. Just give a short statement. Don't go and give all of the essay. Just a short statement, just one line. All right. So what tech did you use? Give the tech stack. And also, what was your role? Were you a front-end developer? Were you a back-end developer? Were you a business analyst? Were you a project manager or project coordinator or a virtual assistant? What did you do? It's critical. All right. So the next thing is you can also see the same format. Now you can give 2 or 3 examples. Now you can see all of my proposals, they are very short to the point. And that is because most clients have a lot of work to do. So they don't need to read long proposal. They just want to get the key point. That's why you have to make it sharp and to the point, very concise, precise, because you want to hit the nail on the head and then get that invite immediately. Now you can see here it's very short. Now, the last part is I am open to offer a free 30-minute consultation to discuss my experience as well as learn more about you. Now, what does this line do to the client? So the client will know you are a professional, you are an expert, and they will not take you for granted. So yes, so now let's move on to the next proposal, which is just like another additional example that I wanted to show you guys. All right. So by now you must have understood the approach of writing proposals. right? So hi there. The first thing is hi there. First of all, please have a look at my previous work. Now, here is some clients, for instance, they might not write much on their adverts. However, they still want you to send a proposal, and maybe the job looks attractive, the client has a verified payment, and so on. Then you can write something like this. You don't need to write much. You can see clearly that the client does not have time, so you have to go straight to the point. So first of all, I want to share with you my previous work, and then you give this way of giving like links to your previous work. It's not bad. I would prefer you put it in this method, wherein you put the link to the app, the name of the app, and so on. You put it in this order. It is more organized and more structured. All right. However, some people do it this way. I can definitely help you implement content updates, ensure brand consistency, and optimize the user experience on your website. So this is based on what the client has already asked for on the job advert, and these proposals are actually proposals based on adverts that I've seen on Upwork. I have immense experience in building blah 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 and so on. So this is a basic proposal. This is a proposal that I would say you can take note of this proposal and see whether you can go and improve it. If you can do this as an assignment and send it to my email. For some of you guys, if you can do this, then I will look at your proposal. Probably I'll be able to comment on it, or I'll tell you which areas to improve if I have time. To be honest, this is something that I can really, I will not promise whether I'll be able to do it for you. But I will say this is like an example of a proposal that is not 100% perfect, but you can take a look at it and see whether you'll be able to improve it. So guys, there you have it. So we've looked at proposals. I have kind of made some videos on proposals. I will add those links to this video as well, and also pin a comment for those videos so that you can take a look at them and see if you can go and solidify your knowledge. The idea is about listening to what I'm saying and learning the psychology that you have to think about when writing your proposal. These are critical things, all right? Guys, I'm not hiding anything from you, and I used to say this. I genuinely want you to be successful, and I would always be saying thank you very much and see you in day 4, and looking forward to that topic. All right, keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you.